Hello everyone. In this Tableau video, I'll be talking about two of my Tableau tricks. Number one, how to include your username in the header. Number two, how to make your titles dynamic based on the quick filters. Let us talk about how to include your username in the header banner. I have used a by default function called as full name in my dashboard title to welcome my user. Example, you can see over here it says hello Chaitanya Kulkarni, welcome to Superstore dashboard. The way that I've used over here is if I double click on my header, I've used by default function called as full name which can be inserted from dashboard title. Just click on full name and that will give you the username over here who has logged in to the server or public profile. Number two, how to make your headers dynamic based on your quick filter. So example, if I select office supplies and click on apply, my header will say sales trade by category office supplies. The way that I've done over here is if I double click on the title, I've read my inserted my category simply and just made it little bold. Thank you for watching.